How to fix error code 24 on Windows 10. Here's how to fix error code 24 on Windows 10. 1. Remove and reconnect your device. Then update the driver via Device Manager. 2. Check, by installing the device on a different PC/port, then repair/replace faulty hardware. Case Study 2, Error, Code 24, Error 24, Windows has encountered a problem and needs to close. We are sorry for the inconvenience. 1. Perform clean boot, then shut down, update or reinstall conflicting program, s. 2. IE-related runtime error? Reset your browser. Disable script debugging and error notifications. 3. Run disk cleanup. 4. Update your virus protection program or download and install the latest Windows update. 5. Reinstall runtime libraries. 6. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall your graphics driver. Case Study 3, Error Code 24 in Google Play Store. 1. Clear cache via this path, Settings-Applications-Manage Apps-Click on App-Clear Cache. 2. Removing app folder using File Manager. 3. Back up your phone data, factory reset your device.